You know they just passed a new law, right?
No, I'm not aware.
Okay. So anything over 100 miles an hour or 50 miles above the speed limit, it's a misdemeanor. Okay? You understand that, right?
So what does that mean?
You're being arrested for your speed limit. Okay?
July 2025. A 117-mile-per-hour traffic stop in Pinellas County, Florida. 4 legal issues. The criminal threshold created by Florida's recently amended speed statute. The racing provision the officer identified but declined to charge. The passenger exposure that charging decision eliminated. And the timing of the Miranda advisement sequence.
Five 8-1. Copy, Timothy. Southbound 19, Seville, Florida Tag, Charlie Yankee, Charlie Adam Robert Ocean, CYCAR. That was committed on white Dodge Challenger.
Incident assigned.
Need your license?
Do you want to just stay here?
Let me get your license first, okay? So I'm off to your H, by the way. I'm off to your H, by the way. The reason I'm stopping you. You know how fast you're going there on 18? What's that? You know how fast? You want me to tell you how fast you're going? You're 117. 117. Why are you going so fast? Do me a favor, pull up into the Congo River parking lot there. Hey, can I get one more? Can I get one more? I'll be in the Congo River parking lot. You have the registration and insurance for the vehicle? Okay. You still living in Newport Richard there?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, just take time, I'll be right back with you. How about I talk to you? You got shoes? This nothing. Relax. Can you take this off? How old are you? Okay. Oh,
If I drop my phone.
you won't get all that stuff, okay? We'll walk over here, okay? The reason why you're in handcuffs right now is because, like I told you, you're doing 117.
Yeah, I literally never go that fast. I have 0 speeding tickets.
At 117 miles an hour. Do you
It's
know
a
they
fast car.
Right. Do you know they just passed a new law, right?
No, I'm not aware.
Okay. So anything over 100 miles an hour or 50 miles above the speed limit, it's a misdemeanor. Okay? You understand that, right?
So what does that mean?
You're being arrested for your speed limit. Okay? Alright? It's not a joke, okay? 117. You're passing that car. You're in the far left lane. Spread around that car at 117 miles an hour.
Sorry.
Just because you're having fun.
I understand.
Okay?
Wait, why is he being arrested?
We'll get everything squared away, okay?
Oh, did they leave the car on?
What should I have? The keys in there?
I don't know.
Is it, whose car is
I
it?
think it is.
It's your car, right?
Yeah, it's my car.
Okay.
Should be in there.
Alright, is there anything on you? Because I'm going to have a female officer come search you.
Okay.
There's nothing on you?
No, I would prefer
Alright,
to have
so
my
who is that
phone
to you?
as that's my husband.
That's your husband. Alright, did he tell you to slow down or?
Yeah.
He did it?
I mean,
It's not,
yeah,
it's not,
It's fast.
okay? There's not a place to do it, alright? If you want to go that fast, there's a racetrack for that kind of stuff. Okay?
Yeah, we know.
Because what you're doing is it's racing too, okay? It's considered racing. You're at exhibition of a speed, all right?
Sorry, I really wasn't aware. I literally never go fast.
Okay.
And then happened.
All right, well, just hang tight.
Right.
we're
Wait,
gonna
I
have
have a question.
What do
Why
you-
is he getting arrested?
Because everybody in the car for racing, it goes to jail, okay? I'm gonna go talk to him here in a second. But that's how it is. It doesn't matter. People can walk. They be sitting on the side of the street watching racing. They can go to jail, okay?
But does that, are we like actually going to jail, or is it like
Yes.
bond out type of situation?
No, you're going to jail, okay? Just hang tight. I'll come back and talk to you in a second.
Florida's 2023 amendment established criminal penalties for driving over 100 miles per hour or more than 50 miles per hour above the posted speed limit, a first-degree misdemeanor carrying up to 1 year. In county jail, at 117 miles per hour on a 65 mile per hour highway, both thresholds were met simultaneously. 117 exceeds 100, and 52 above the posted limit exceeds 50. Both were identified and correctly applied. Florida Statute Section 316.191 prohibits racing on highways and expressly includes exhibition of speed, operating a vehicle at unreasonable speed to demonstrate performance or satisfy the driver's desire for acceleration, the statute's critical feature. It may be applied to any passenger who aids or abets the conduct, not only the driver. The officer recognized this provision on camera, explicitly named it, and then made the deliberate decision not to charge it. Under the racing statute, both occupants were legally exposed to arrest. The officer confirmed this on camera. If I decided to do the racing statute, I could take both of you to jail. He then charged only the dangerous speed statute against the driver, sparing the passenger entirely. This discretionary decision, documented verbatim on Bodycam, is the most consequential legal choice in the encounter.
Mr. Tabacota Police Department. I'm here just to conduct your search, okay? Do you mind stepping out for me? Have you faced your vehicle and take a step away from the car and widen your stance for me? Okay. Anything on your personal? Okay. Alright, I give everybody this discretion, okay, so don't take it personally. Anything on you at all whatsoever. Okay, any introduction of contraband into the jail is an additional felony. I'll be happy to charge you with it if they find anything, so that's why we like to give everybody that. What's up, okay? Alright, let's see.
I'm just going to read you something real quick. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer, have him or present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questions of your age. You can sign anytime. Exercise these rights. Not answering the questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained? Is it a verbal yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So, like I explained to him, because you guys got dogs at home, and he's got a license, he's a registered, I'm gonna let him take the car home, okay? So you guys can, so he can take care of the dog, okay? That's not the place you're doing it, okay? Because if somebody pulled out in front of you or something like that, at speed, you can really hurt somebody really bad, okay? And I don't think you want that on your conscience, right? Right? No. It's you, okay. Okay. You seem like a good person. I think you just made a bad choice today. Okay. Like I said, we just passed this new law. We're not playing around with these speeds anymore, okay? Like I said, anything over 100 miles an hour, or 50 miles above the posted speed limit, okay? You're looking at jail time, okay? So, I gotta do some paperwork. You gotta get a citation for me. I'm not going to do the racing statute. I'm just going to do the dangerous speed statute. Okay? The 1 over 100 miles per hour, 50 miles above the posted speed limit. If I decided to do the racing charge, I could take both of you to jail. Okay? But I'm not doing that. Right? Where were you guys coming from? Your house? Where were you guys headed to?
We're trying to buy something on Facebook Marketplace, so we're heading towards his house in Florida.
Down in Largo? You're going to get a ticket today, okay? Hopefully this will be your last one, alright? Alright? You have any questions for me? You have anything?
Yeah, you want us to relocate her to Target over here?
No, I'll just pull it. Pull that over here? Yeah, just whatever.
Alright.
Like I said, I told you, you're going to get a citation. I'm going to put your ID back in here, okay?
And have the phone number in there?
Yeah, it's with the phone number.
Right. And do I get that when I get there?
Yeah, just let them know you have a phone number. They should give it to you. Or they might let you write it down. I don't know how it works when I get down there. But you'll have your ID, and then it's on blood too, okay?
Right. Thank you.
You have any other questions for you?
verbal message people like that.
Well,
You got it all switched up. Pre-staging did not do well.
yeah.
Right.
Miranda rights were delivered post-arrest and post-search before the officer's closing conversation. The pre-Miranda exchange raises the question addressed in Rhode Island versus Innis, whether police-initiated conduct constitutes interrogation. The exchange here was disclosure. The officer explained the law. The subject's statements were spontaneous, not question-responsive. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, spontaneous volunteered statements remain admissible. The procedural ideal, however, is Miranda immediately upon formal arrest before any conversation, eliminating this ambiguity entirely. The stop presents no Fourth Amendment issue. Under Wern versus United States, a traffic stop is constitutionally valid when an officer observes any traffic violation. A vehicle traveling at 117 miles per hour on a public highway requires no additional legal foundation. The driver was arrested on the Dangerous Speed Statute and transported to jail. A citation was also issued. The passenger was released with the vehicle. Case disposition, including whether charges were reduced or diverted, is unknown at time of analysis. The officer receives an A-. He correctly identified and applied the 2023 Dangerous Speed Statute, stated both alternative thresholds on camera, and made a documented, proportionate charging decision declining the racing statute. Miranda rights were read verbatim from a card. Same gender search protocol was correctly applied. 2 deductions. Miranda delivery was delayed past formal arrest, creating avoidable legal vulnerability, and handcuffing preceded the charge explanation rather than accompanying it. The driver receives a C. 117 miles per hour on a public highway creates a stopping distance exceeding a football field, converting any ordinary road event into a potential fatality for others. The C acknowledges complete cooperation, no dispute of the speed, and genuine remorse throughout the encounter. The grade reflects the underlying conduct, not the character demonstrated once the vehicle stopped. 3 takeaways. First, Florida's 2023 amendment made 100 miles per hour, or 50 above the posted limit, a criminal misdemeanor. Most drivers do not know this law exists. Second, under Section 316.191, passengers are as legally exposed as the driver. A passenger's freedom depends entirely on charging discretion. Third, Miranda advisement belongs immediately upon formal arrest, before any exchange, eliminating the ambiguity that delayed delivery creates. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.